Watch this. This is Traveling Band, one of CCR's biggest songs, and it was released in 1970 in January, and this is the same year CCR dropped multiple of their massive singles. And I like it because it's such a simple song. It's about life on the road and, you know, the airport screaming.
Just a step on the boss man's ladder, but you got things he'll never take away. On the same boat with a lot of your friends, waiting for the day your ship will come in, and the tide's gonna turn and it's all gonna run your way. Working 9 to 5, got a way to make a living, headed, dancing by. It's all taking and no giving. They just lose your mind and you never get credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5, yeah, they got you where they want you. There's a better life if you play out of don't you?
Very big though. Look how big the rooms are. There's 2 rooms back to back. Oh, that's for the high collar people. You get a garage. Everybody else is stuck in the rain. I asked if you could rent them. He said, I don't know if you kind of need them good.
You should be able to.
The lights are on in them.
Yep. We fix to get wet. I feel the raindrops.
There we are.
a plan to motor west. Travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66.